Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and talk about how you can actually select the right product to sell on Shopify.com. If you're new to dropshipping and are thinking about getting into this particular niche, this is definitely a video that is going to help you tenfold. So stick around till the end to find out exactly what you need to do and how you need to do it. The first thing that you should do is head over to Shopify.com, the global commerce platform that can help you build your business to sell online, offline, and everywhere in between. With millions of merchants available, you can discover the reasons why entrepreneurs are choosing Shopify to build their business. Representation in 170 countries and a total US commerce of 10% and a global economic activity of $444 billion. You can easily create the store that you want and build an online storefront, bringing your vision to life with a simple drag and drop store creator. There's no coding expertise required at all. You can craft the brand that you want and level up with the apps. You can sell to every buyer everywhere, online or in person and around the world, with the marketing tools, social integrations, and sales channels that you need to get your product in front of customers. And more than that, you can back your business with ShopPay, the one-click checkout that's built to convert, and obviously a point of sale system that allows customers to shop their way from online to the checkout line. And you can find new shoppers with the SEO, social media, content marketing tools that help you reach customers where they are, and build a custom email campaign or set automation to serve every segment and connect with customers on the go with the integrated messaging tools. And you can take control of your customers' data to build custom audiences and explore the customer insights that drive ongoing growth. You can manage the inventory, track the payments, and view real-time business insights all in one place, so you can focus on building your business. So get your products where they need to be with the integrated inventory management, streamlined returns, and a dedicated shipping and fulfillment. Manage your business's finance all from one place with money management and flexible funding designs with entrepreneurs in mind. You can easily click on start the free trial or click on the link given in the description below and get Shopify and start your journey as a dropshipper. Now, once you get Shopify, what you need to do is head over to this platform, AliExpress.com. This is sale.aliexpress.com, where you can find top ranking AliExpress official ranking, and you can find different products that are available. Now, one of the things I always mention to individuals is understanding the different dynamics that you have when it comes to dropshipping niches. Now, on the top over here, you can see the consumer electronics, the health and beauty, the home and garden, the accessories, the women's clothing, mom and kids, home improvement, shoes and bag, auto and motorcycles, and clothing for men's and sports and outdoors. These are all the different categories that you can actually get different products in. Now, within them, there are subcategories. Now, the good thing with AliExpress is the fact that you can find really cheap products, and obviously products that you can actually get a leverage in and get a competitive advantage. And I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. So let's scroll right up and click on consumer electronics. Now, once you do that, you can see all the top selling elements available. It could be microphones, it could be adult smartwatches, it could be called smartwatches, it could be smart smartwatches, it could be sports smartwatches, or it could be the other popular elements that are available, from USBs to NEWBIES mobile accessories as well. Now, one of the things you have to keep in mind, guys, is that these are products and prices that you cannot beat at any time. These are products which are dead cheap and really can give you a competitive advantage. And it's for that reason I always recommend individuals to check out AliExpress. Now, let's head over to the main AliExpress over here. This is the actual AliExpress site over here. Now, we're going to search for a particular thing such as a phone case, because I personally feel that this breaks through the barriers. Now, you might be thinking, what are barriers and what are we talking about when we say barriers? Barriers are all those elements which obviously hinder for anyone to enter a particular market. But with phone cases, you break through the limitations, because no matter what the age group is, no matter where the location is, no matter what the weather is, you will definitely need a phone case to actually keep your phone safe in. And if you look at the price that they're being sold at right now, you'll be able to see that this is definitely making a lot of profit. You can easily get this product for 50 cents. They've sold 50,000 of this one particular product with the free shipping that's available. You have another product which is sold 10,000 times at 49 cents. You have another product sold 4,000 times at 49 cents. You have another product sold at 10,000 times at 49 cents. So something is very clear that this is a product that people are buying, and they're buying it in huge amounts. And the price that you get for this product is extremely low. So if you look at this product, which is a fashion magnetic case for a iPhone, you can get it for 49 cents and 10,000 have been sold already. So this is definitely something to look out for, because you can see by the number and the scale of the individuals that are buying these products that these are something that people are interested in. But the question then really comes is that how much profit can we make of these particular products? And that is where this website comes in, ebay.com. Now let's search for ebay.com and let's search for phone cases on ebay.com and see how much they're being sold for on ebay.com. So we will be actually targeting our customers that are on the UK, in the US, in Australia that use ebay.com. We will buy the product from AliExpress, then we will put the product on our Shopify accounts, and then we'll be able to have the same price range or competitive pricing that's available on ebay.com. So you can clearly see that this product with a shipping of $16 and a price of $4 is actually sold for $20. The same particular product over here is sold for 99 cents. So as you can clearly see, there is a huge difference that is available and you can easily make a profit on this. But guys, don't take my word for it. I'm going to show you some numbers, and it's for that reason, head over to the Sellers Hub. On the Sellers Hub, you'll see something called the research. Once you click on it, you'll be taken to the next page. Over here, we're going to search for phone cases. Now, something very interesting is going to happen. We're going to check for the last 2 years how much profit phone cases have made. So let's start our research and check out what numbers come up. The average selling price was $10.51, and obviously the average shipping was $4.61. 92% were shipping this completely free, and obviously there 3.5 million have been sold. There's 68,000 sellers, and the total sale is $37.6 million. Let's scroll down and check out the graph. Now, as you can see, the average price is $9, $10, $11, and is increasing around $11 mark. So obviously, whatever product that we get, we're going to be putting it on our Shopify accounts for around $11, and obviously we're putting it more competitive at $9.99. And look at this, guys. This individual has sold 47,000 units and made a $398,000 off one product. That is absolutely massive. And the average selling price was $8.30. So let's head back over here and check out that if we get this product for 49 cents, we can easily put this for $4.99 and break the market and still end up making more than $100,000 of this product. If you scroll down and see all the other sellers available, $142,000, $116,000, $102,000, $55,000, $58,000, $69,000. They're making huge amounts of money off one particular product, and so could you. It's so simple, straightforward, and easy, guys. There's nothing to it. And if you look at the average price that is being sold over here, they're selling for $8, $9, $10, and you can sell it for this mark as well and still up making a healthy profit and converting and becoming financially free and breaking away from the 9-to-5 and getting the financial freedom that you've always been dreaming about. And that is the reason why we make all these amazing videos that are available to give you the proper insight, the proper methodology and strategy that is required to ensure that you're one step ahead of the competition and obviously making money in the process. If you like our video, guys, do let us know in the comment section below. And if you got any question, if you need any support, you can always ask us, because I'm here to help you, support you, guide you, and to assist you. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, guys, do subscribe to the channel and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and families and stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.